Morning. We got some orders to pull and then we got some Lego to go through, so let's just dive right in. I sent on an offer for these two for 100. Somebody countered with 90 and I was like, heck yeah, I'll do that. I have like $6 into this total, so very cool books. That's a nice little sale right there. This has been around for ages. I had to go to storage to get it. It talks. It doesn't have batteries in it right now. But there you go. Okay, we gotta pull out an action figure. Probably, yep, I see it right there. This is from Scooby-Doo. It's the, what's his name? Falcon? Blue Falcon? And then last one for this morning, somebody bought 3 of these pens. And I love those. I think I've talked about these several times. Got like $1 into each one. I got hundreds and hundreds of them. So they're slow money makers, but I have so many that I've made a lot of money over time. All right, let's grab this bag right here and figure out what we got going on. I wonder if I can repair that. I don't know. Looks like I might be able to. This looks pretty easy. Just pop on right there. So this piece right here, I'd call that a light blue, right? Medium blue? Yeah, it's not that dark. Either way, $6 to $8. I think it's medium blue because we know I have this set. So we're gonna set that aside. And it looks like we should hold off on this guy because of that. We're gonna see if we can get it all put together. So that just leaves this guy. And it's right here. Sold recently for 16. We look pretty good. So I think I'm gonna look up the instructions and see how far off we are. Oh, and look, easy. Pretty basic for a Technic build, but I mean, it's not very expensive, so I guess what do you expect? I do wish, I'm not 100% sure I have that attached correctly, but I feel like there should be more mobility in this, but I don't know. Yeah, just checked again. It's a design thing, I guess. And you can set it at different heights if you really want to. There it is a little higher. Yeah, it's just interesting. All those moving parts, and then this isn't mobile. Still cool. So this is definitely part of the other car that I just set aside. And that looks like part of it as well. Pizza time? Alright, we know we have this bus somewhere. Missing this section here. Most of this looks to be here. Alright, let's see if we can find it. Okay, there's the bus. Some of this belongs to other sets. Like that belongs to the town center, I think. But the pizza bus is there. Struggling a little bit here. movie theater. I think that's the movie theater. This is definitely the movie theater. So I originally said this was part of the excavator set, but some of this might be pizza shop. Maybe. Wrong chef. I might have to just switch to an easier one. 3 issue. Yep, wrong chef. Okay. I might just switch to an easier one until that becomes more obvious. I'm kind of realizing that everything is pretty mixed up. And I only have really a half day today. Here, we know where that excavator is, so let's just start on this one. Because that looks mostly good. We know where the other parts are. We got that. And then what did I do with the excavator? The excavator's right there. Accidentally grabbed the crane when we want this one. I'm pretty sure. We're gonna find out here real soon. I was starting to get worried this was all tangled, but we are good. Okay, here's the state of things as they are. Let me find the instructions. I was gonna do a time lapse, but it came together super easy. I think the only thing missing is in the manual there's a chain that it was dangling off this, but that's not a big deal at all. This thing is massive. Here's my hand. And then it should just fold down like that. Yep. These yellow, what do you call them? Pylon things are definitely part of this set, so we gotta pull those out as well. There's just mixed stuff going on. That $2,000 buy, I have to like get it out of my head that not every collection I buy is gonna be that organized. He had everything individually baggy, put together. It was just mostly checking, and this is actually like reassembling / counting parts. So it's gonna take a little longer. I gotta get back in that headspace. Here's the neighboring bike shop to the pizza shop we were looking for earlier. So that's good, we found that. Okay. I have yet to find any minifigures for this set, but this is really cool. That's so rad. A lot going on in this set. We still got a whole building and a truck to put together. Okay, this one should come together pretty easy. As long as I don't do stuff like that. Oop, wrong one. Oops, what's that extra red piece doing there? Not sure what all these bits are, but we're gonna keep them in case they belong to something else in the box. Alright, that just leaves, well, we know where that is. So this green truck, all the minifigs obviously, and these 2 barricades. And then any accessories they'd be holding. We gotta figure out where those are as well. Now it looks like the truck we're looking for. Looks like the truck bed we're looking, yeah, that's probably it. I hesitated because I saw this one, so now I'm not sure. License plate is missing. I can get that put together, minus the sticker, obviously. So I might just do that for now. And then as I'm working on other stuff, if I find the sticker, I will swap it out. Found it while looking for that, so we can just swipe. Yeah, just swap out the white piece. Okay, my phone's getting ready to die, so I'm gonna have to stop for a little bit, I think. But hopefully I can just find all the missing stuff while my phone is charging, and then I can just put it all together real quick. That is ultra satisfying. Only thing missing is he's supposed to have a black shovel, but that is not enough to prevent me from posting this. It's not worth ordering one. In fact, I'm gonna post this. That's not attached. And you know, if I find a black shovel before it sells, I'll just include it. So that's a super fun one. I like that one a lot. I have a secret project that's probably still 6 to 8 months in the making. I'm really tempted to hold on to this one, but I think I'm gonna post this one for sale and keep one of the other city sets for that project. And that's all I'm gonna say about it for now. Mysterious. As fun as the mysterious project is gonna be, it's more important I keep my business afloat. I still gotta pay off this bin. The video where I first talked about it made $6, so $74 to go. We posted the crane Technic thing, not a crane, backhoe excavator. That's only like $15, so it's not a very expensive one, at least not that I could tell. And then, so this one's $100. This one will pay off everything. The dock, once that's complete, the shield generator, once that's complete, that'll be our profit. And then a couple of the city ones I'm gonna hold on to. Like I said, kind of had to take a half day today, but I did have a second to pop into the thrift store, and I'm glad I did. I found these organizing bins. I left the dirtier looking one behind because I'm not that desperate, but I'm loving these things right now for minifigure parts. This is the first one I ever used, and you can see it's a mix of heads, torsos, and legs, and some other random bits. Ideally, I would have enough to, like, this one's just heads, and it's doing the trick. I mean, I've posted a lot of heads and been selling a lot of heads, so I'm not worried about filling this up anytime soon. And then this one should become torsos, and then once I find some more, get a legs one going, so on and so forth. I really like these. All right, let's go ahead and call it there. Thank y'all for watching. What a cool build today. And what's really nice about doing bins like this is when I finish one or two, the next one happens even faster because I'm not having to dig through as much. So I'm kind of thinking maybe the City Lines dock might be next. I don't know, we'll see. But stay tuned. Catch y'all later.